purpose of this training is to learn about the Arkansas Rapid Naming Screener. The screener is part of our district dyslexia screening process. It is administered to students in kindergarten who are projected to be MAP students. You'll need to print the practice page and Form A and Form B from a quality color printer. Before administration, please check the quality of the colors and make sure that red looks red and blue looks blue. You can find all of these documents that you'll need on SSD Life under the Schools and Academic Programs tab, then Curriculum and Professional Development, and then this is the Arkansas Rapid Automatic Naming folder. In that folder, you'll find this document. At the top of the document, there are some specific directions and some information about the screener and its creation. Scrolling down to the second page, you'll see this practice page. You'll want to print this one off, so that way you can run through this with the student to make sure that they recognize the colors. Then you'll want to print off Form A and Form B. You'll want to run through the practice items with the students and read the directions, show the practice page and say, "Tell me the names of these colors." Once that has been successfully completed, you'll want to hand the student Form A and read the directions. Now, name all the colors on this card. Start here and name all the colors on each row as quickly as you can without making any mistakes. You may begin. At the bottom, there's a section to record the time and the errors. You will want to track the amount of time it takes the student to complete this process in seconds, and then you'll want to count the errors. There is a discontinue rule that if a student makes more than 4 errors, you may stop this process and record the number of errors, and you do not have to move on. If, however, the student completes Form A with 4 or fewer errors, you will then hand them Form B and tell them the directions. Now you will do it one more time. Remember, say the colors as fast as you can. You may begin. You will then record the time in seconds for Form B and the errors on Form B. Then you'll record an overall score for both Form A and B, and that would be the time in seconds that it took to complete both forms. You will also record the total errors for both Form A and Form B. If you have any questions, feel free to contact anybody from the Curriculum and Assessment Department, and we'd be happy to help.